Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Photos and going straight to Albums, then Recently Deleted. You do this because iOS keeps removed images for 30 days. Once done, tap Select, pick the files you want, and recover to put them back. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in settings so recovered items sync across devices. If you see the images, save copies to a dedicated album. This quick route retrieves most accidental deletes without backups or tools. If Recently Deleted is empty, sign in at iCloud. To check if the photos remain on Apple's servers. Sometimes devices desync. Next, consider a full restore only if a backup exists from before the deletion. To do that, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset right arrow Erase all content and settings, then follow prompts to restore from iCloud or connect to a computer and use Finder/iTunes. Use this because backups contain the photo library state at backup time. Be patient, restores can take time. Once photos return, verify resolution and metadata, then organize them into a new album and export copies to iCloud Drive or your computer for redundancy. If you cannot find images anywhere, stop using the device immediately to minimize data overwrites, and then try reputable recovery software or connect to a service professional. Make sure to check Apple support if backups fail or you see account issues. They can check server-side retention. This closes the process and prevents future loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.